How to use Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. In this video, I will show you how you can use Paysafecard on your Brawl Star account. So, in order to use Paysafecard in your Brawl Star app, just open your app on your mobile, open your game in your browser or your mobile phone. Once you open your game, then on the dashboard you can see at the left side there is an option called Shop. Just simply click on Shop. When you click on shop, the Brawl store will be open in front of you. Now here you can buy or purchase anything that you want. Slide at the left side at the bottom at the end of the store. When you are at the end, you can see there are two options: coin pack and gem pack. Now let's suppose we want to purchase gem pack. In order to purchase gem pack, just click on gem pack. When you click on gem pack, it's asking for authentication. When you give your face ID, it will be authenticated. And now it's asking you to enter your safe card detail. Payment method is required. So just click on continue. When you click on continue, then this display in front of you will be appear before you. Here you can add payment detail. Now add your payment detail and just simply click on done. When you click on done, your payment detail will be added. Now again go back and purchase anything. So this is a method you can purchase using Paysafecard on Brawl Stars.